Imagine a universe that is not the only one, but only a part of many others. This is the concept of the multiverse, which is not only fascinating but also controversial among scientists and philosophers. The idea is that our universe may be just one of many that exist in parallel, with different laws of physics, constants, and even history. The idea of a multiverse raises many questions and interesting ideas that can radically change our understanding of reality. The concept of the multiverse has a long history associated with various scientific achievements, in particular in the field of quantum mechanics and cosmology. One of the first people to express the idea of the multiverse was physicist Hugh Everett III, who in 1957 presented the so-called multiple interpretation of quantum mechanics. He argued that every time a quantum measurement occurs, the universe is divided into several parallel realities, in which all possible outcomes are realized. This means that in each of these realities there are alternative versions of ourselves that can make different decisions. Another important basis for the idea of a multiverse is cosmological inflation, which describes how the universe expands as a result of sudden growth. According to this theory, during the inflationary period, new universes could appear, forming a multiverse. When we talk about inflation, it is worth noting that this process not only expands our universe, but can also cause the emergence of other universes that are independent of us and may have their own properties and laws. Whether the multiverse really exists remains an open question. The concept of the multiverse has not only scientific but also philosophical significance. If our universe is just one of many, it calls into question our uniqueness and role in the cosmos. Can we consider our universe special if there are infinite variants? It also raises questions about the nature of reality and consciousness. We can ask whether our consciousness is unique in the entire multiverse, or whether we are just part of something bigger. The study of the multiverse faces certain challenges. One of the main ones is the lack of experimental evidence. How can we verify the existence of other universes if they are beyond our observation? Researchers are trying to find cosmic signals or effects that can confirm or refute this idea, but it remains a difficult task. For example, the study of cosmic background radiation may provide clues about the early stages of our universe and possibly other universes that exist beyond our perception. The possibility of a multiverse continues to be of interest to the scientific community and the general public. Although many questions remain unanswered, they encourage us to reflect on the nature of our reality and our place in it. The multiverse may be just a hypothesis, but the idea of infinite possibilities will always attract us to new discoveries and research. This research can be the impetus for new technologies and methods that will allow us to better understand not only our own universe, but also potentially explore others. In addition, the idea of the multiverse opens up new horizons for philosophical reflection. It pushes us to rethink our place in the universe, prompting us to think about what reality is and why it may be much more complex than we think. How can we understand what we cannot observe? The existence of multiverses may provide answers to many questions related to the nature of time, space, and matter. Over time, new methods of study may emerge that will allow us to look beyond our universe. This may include new ways of measuring or detecting signs of other universes, although this remains science fiction for now. However, the idea itself is already inspiring scientists and researchers to make new discoveries and studies. As a result, the question of the existence of the multiverse remains one of the most fascinating and controversial topics in modern physics. It prompts deep reflections on our reality and the possibilities that may lie beyond it. The multiverse may be just a hypothesis, but its possibilities continue to arouse interest and fascination among scientists, philosophers, and everyone who seeks to understand what the universe is and what our place in it is. So, we can only hope that with the development of science and technology, we will find answers to these questions that may change the way we see the world and ourselves. The more we study space, the more we discover new mysteries that are waiting to be solved. Who knows, maybe one day we will find evidence of the existence of other universes, which will change our perception of reality forever.